Hello guys, welcome to another day with Zimaleta, and today is all about landscaping. Spring is coming and you're gonna need to fix your Cub Cadet. Pretty sure your belt is off right now if you're watching this video. So we actually have to install the drive belt, right?
Driveshaft belt.
The Driveshaft belt. It is not easy to do, but we found an easier way to do it than some other videos that we found online because it's a really difficult job, let's be honest here, but we found a kind of like a better way to do it. All you need is some pliers or some kind of vice grips, a screwdriver, and like a 19 millimeter type of tool, and what else we're gonna need?
5/8 inch socket.
5/8, yeah, exactly, 5/8 socket and a hammer. But anyways, guys, we're gonna show you how to install the belt on it. What kind of Cub Cadet is this?
This is a LT 1045 model. It's their 1000 series. Very good lawnmower. This was year 2008, I believe. It's in excellent condition.
Yeah, it looks beautiful. It's really. Okay, guys, we are working on Cub Cadet, and we have already removed the pulley with a lot of trying and stuff. There's lots of videos on YouTube about it, but nobody has a video quite like this. So basically, this thing that we have to put a belt on, this pulley right here, in order to access it, you first need to remove the bottom piece. But when you try to remove the bottom bolt, which it's behind the hand, you really can't see this portion. There's a bolt here. The entire jig spins. So the way that we actually done it is we used pliers like this, and we grabbed it and basically undid it that way. So
Much easier than.
yeah, this is much easier. You'll need like a couple people. If you're strong enough, you probably could manage holding one in the left hand and one in the right. So this is that. So now we're gonna put the belt on. So we're feeding the belt to the back. And now we got it here. Okay guys, to install the belt, you're supposed to install it from the rear first. Rear of the fin. Because it's too big. Here, I'm handing you the belt. Okay. Can you see? I could get my hands in there. Okay, I got the belt down enough. Yep, it's around it now. Just gotta make sure that goes around that. Okay, I'm holding it.
Yeah, it's on there.
Okay, come on this side and see if you could pull the rest of it through.
Okay.
Okay.
You want to hold tension? Here.
No, it's okay. I got it. I'm used to working with one hand. So guys, this is the front pulley. We got it on there. A little bit of struggle. We had to bend these metal pieces back around it, and it was still quite a tight fit. And then you just have to hammer it in place. And then we got these pulleys. This is how it goes. And then you got one at the bottom. And then you got that pulley in the back, which we started out with. Okay guys, we put the pulley right back. There's the belt that we're putting on. As you can see, it's quite impossible to really get the belt around to try to fit it. You have to remove this bottom portion. So everything's back in place now, so it should be working.
Here we go.
Okay, this is the Cub Cadet. Now what? We're gonna fire it up.
As soon as I pull it off the box.
Okay.
Oh, this is the brake light. I think that stick off kind of bottom me. Here we go. Should be ready to roll. Rock and roll.
Man, you're almost spinning tires on that one.
You see that?
Yeah.
See them popping wheelies, huh?
Yeah.
All right, now, to get the deck on, we got to push it all the way to the front. And then get it on the pulley and then pull it back. And there's two pins. These pins right here will lock in. Okay, once we get it up there, these things, it's not that bad. They will lock into it.
So now we're sliding it in.
This will go on the top pulley.
Yep.
Got to put that on first.
Really?
Yeah.
If we don't put it on, I'm putting it on. Don't worry. It's on the pulley now.
Is it on the pulley?
Yes.
All right, now, I got to figure this out because I've never done this deck. But
So guys, to install the deck, what I did is actually not insert that piece in because I decided that it's a lot easier to install this first, you know, with the belt on, of course. And now we're just going to basically adjust those front bolts to give us some room to squeeze that past it, and that's it. So we don't have to like take it out, we just put it as far back as you can. And then that's it, we just adjust it. Basically, I didn't notice this, but I see this now, that there's these pins. See? And we're doing all that work when we could have just pulled this out, see? And pull that. There you go, see? And now, all we have to do is put them back. We could have really saved some time without really doing that. Yeah.
I've had a riding lawnmower in about 20 years.
I've really never serviced a lawnmower before. I'm more of a Mercedes guy. Can you hand me my pliers? Oh, never mind. I aligned it in place. Okay.
Here, use this right here.
Yeah, this is a lot easier. Okay. Now basically we need to raise the deck.
You want this one?
So guys, let's recap. To install the deck, start out with the back first. Make sure your belt is already on, right there on that pulley. And then, go ahead and lower the deck all the way to the lowest setting, and then insert your pins. Insert it behind the yellow thing right there, so it has like a little groove that it goes in, right there. Not inside, because you're just not going to have any room, and that's actually where the problem could come in, because you're not going to be able to really install it like that. And then come to the front to install this piece. You don't actually have to take those bolts out. What I noticed is that there's these cotter pins that are inside. Sorry guys for the shaky video, but I'm in an awkward position. Basically, there's the cotter pin right there. Remove that and remove the cotter pin over here, right there, and then it's just gonna drop down. Then what you do is go ahead and install this portion, and then you'll be able to actually reinstall this with ease. Just lift it up because there's nothing to it. It's very light. Just insert this pin back in, and then just put the cotter pins back in. So